Come here. Come. Come on. Oh, not bad for the first time. Teaching table manners. Take it from one time and that's it. Right.
Easy, slow.
Oh, slow, slow. It is called the fork. It does one bite, 4 holes. Come on.
Easy.
Jumping. Come on. No, Duke, open your mouth.
No licking.
No licking, open.
Duke, open. Open your mouth. Open.
Oh.
Just show it in his mouth.
Show it with the fork, too. 1 poke, 4 holes. Come on. Open. Open your mouth.
Good one.
See, now this is life. Have a baby, then teach table manners, and then don't succeed. What a life. Come on. Excuse me.
It's alright, you're cleaning it.
You.
Get the fork out of there.
It's alright, he will work around it. Good boy. See? Have a long tongue and all the problems are solved. But in case he likes tamari, soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
Let's see what happens. Let's see if it's good for the dogs or not. Alright, enough. Right.
Gonna be alright?
When we leave, he'll have something to eat.
He'll find
Alright.
things around the car, he'll have something to do.
That's my dog.
Your dog?
Yeah. It's like mama.
Mama and child.